Pakistani Hindu pilgrims regularly visit India to pay respect at the holy places. Indian government facilitates these Hindu pilgrims to forego Pakistani nationality and settle in India through a discourse that Hindus are not safe in Pakistan. The Hindu migrants from Pakistan were attracted to India by a citizenship law introduced in 2019 under Prime Minister Narendra Modi's government, which eventually proved to be a political ploy to gain the Hindu votes. It also reflects a wider trend of Pakistani migration for better economic opportunities. The Hindu community sought stability in India due to perceived religious congruity. Deceived by the appealing propaganda of the BJP, many migrants faced disillusionment upon encountering the harsh realities of poverty and discrimination in India. It is a fact that India banned caste-based discrimination in 1955, but centuries-old biases against the lower-class groups, including Dalits, still persist, making it harder for them to access education, job and homes, arriving with a tag of being Pakistani. Indian troops in their fresh act of state terrorism martyred two youth in a fake encounter in the Kupwara district. According to Kashmir Media Service, the youth were martyred by the Indian troops during a cordon and search operation in Machil area of the Kupwara district on Thursday. The operation was going on till last reports came in. Kashmiris on both sides of the line of control and the world over will observe the 27th October tomorrow as a black day to convey to the world that India has occupied their homeland illegally and against their aspirations. According to Kashmir Media Service, the day will be marked by a complete shutdown in occupied Kashmir. Protest marches, rallies and seminars will be held in Azad Kashmir and Pakistan and all over the world to condemn the invasion of the territory by the Indian Army on 27th October 1947.